Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to model this detailed mechanical flange step by step. This is exercise 18 and it is perfect for practicing your sketching, revolving and pattern tools. We will break down this technical drawing, look at these sectional views and build this entire model from scratch. Whether are you engineer or looking to sharpen your CAD skills, this video is for you. Let's jump right into SolidWorks and get started. First, we need to close this exercise and start from scratch. Go to part and select new and select OK. Take any plane like top plane, go to sketch and go to a sketch tab and select circle and create two circles at here. Go to dimension tab and take dimension, and this circle is 48 mm and the outer circle is 72 mm. And take another circle of 88 mm and select it for construction. Go to smart dimension, take another circle for 108 mm. Let's choose it normal and take to center line or this midpoint line that we can generate the PCD and select circle. At this point, we need to draw a circle and measure it for 8 mm. Go to linear sketch in pattern and choose circular sketch pattern. Parameters asking for select these lines and entities to pattern. So select these entities and delete these entities and choose options for 6 and select OK. Select it normal and then after go to features tab and select extrude box base and choose second direction. So first direction we need to extrude it for 32 mm and second direction is 24 mm. Right, okay. Go to Boss-Extrude and choose this sketch. So in that after we need to extrude boss base and select this line and select it for mid plane and this dimension is 16 mm. Choose option hide. It features first one is 24 mm and second one is 32. So we need to change this feature, edit feature. So then direction 2 is 40 mm and the upper dimension is 32 mm. Select enter. Go to fillet tab and select chamfer and choose this two corner and select it for 4 mm. Select OK. Take any plane, other plane like right plane, and go to sketch for a revolve cut. Go to line, select a line and choose this inner corner and move back to the point and then convert into arc and then move outside. Next, move back to the point and convert into arc and select OK. You need to change this feature, so delete this arc and choose this right. Go to smart dimension, select it for 6 mm and this arc is 6 mm. Okay, this one is 4 radius. Change this, delete this relation. Go to smart dimension and select it for 8 mm. Say it OK. Draw a center line, sorry, midpoint line for construction. Choose this line, select it for construction. Then after, go to Features tab, select Extrude Boss Base, axis of revolution, select these lines and see it OK. Select OK. Just wait a minute. We need to create this sketch. First, this is coincident relation is required, and after that we can use a revolve cut, and then after all the concerns are solved. Go to revolve cut, and select this axis of revolution and select OK. You can see here the design is ready as per our sketch. So I am color it with this color. Say it OK. You can choose any face and change any color. Say it OK. You can see here. After using edit appearance, you can see the model is ready, and that is how the model exercise 18 in SolidWorks. If you found this very helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any future CAD exercises. If you run into any issues with the dimension or patterning tools, drop a comment below. I will help you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.